we have taken you around the market, and today we are in Oba Market renovation work.
150 we have downstairs, and we have 224 3x3 meter, and we have about 9 shops 6x6 meter at this phase, which is phase 1/3 of the whole building, not other one, just at this one.
This phase is 1/3.
Yes, this phase we have 224 3x3 meter, and we have 9 6x6 meter upstairs, lock-up shops. And downstairs we have about 350 or 360, something like that, which is dwarf wall shops, 2x3 meter.
So you have a terminal section.
Yes, after this one. After, this section, this is this one. This is the 1/3 of the whole building. This is one of. So once we're at my peer said that after 31st of March, we are going to complete this one. So we are going to shift to the other side.
You see, because that's why we have to do our posters outside before and after. You know, it was bought 2020 or so. It was bought and then they left it, so the settlement saw it, and it really is not paying. Maybe that's a priority that is going to pay Edo people for voting into power with this market. And right now, if you see the face of the market, I think not all the traders, they come in here to look at the market, and they're always praising His Excellency. So thank God for what He has done, that we should proceed and do every other part of the market. So that the only way they will repay him is to vote him back again the second time.
We went to meet market women to tell us how they feel about what the government is doing. And they insisted that no, they are not going to say anything because they've not seen what the government is doing. And that until they see what the government is actually before they will say anything. Yes. That they have no comment.
Yes, that's what I say. If we don't see her, we don't feel talk say we like her. But if we don't see her, so that we like her 100%.
Some of them know their shops, and they say, oh, this is my shop, it has been transformed, it has been transformed. You can listen to them.
It's 924, this 926, my store.
Okpebholo Baba Wese, Salama can bless you well. I want me to ya kina ni mafo. Ni mama ke na pa you workire. Mama ke na pa you go. Mama la ke na ruda boy. Ke na ima wa appreciate e kakapa. So ima kita mu na nu we wa la papa. Nu we gie we ni ma na me no dera na ga ma pupo. Abieria. So nu gie to la ni mama wa appreciate e. Mama papa be this.
We like what Okpebholo is doing. We appreciate. We thank him so much. He will live long and eat the fruit of his labor. He can never lack. We appreciate. We thank him so much. Thank God. Give us 3
As I was saying that these are the lock-up shops, okay? So we are going to install the fire alarming system, okay, in each of the shops, okay? So then from the main, there will be a main control room, okay? So when there's a fire anywhere, for example, let's say like this is shop number 50, okay? There's a fire in shop number 50, so in that main room, okay, they will know that it will start alarming. They will know, okay, shop number 50 has a fire. So then there will be a fire extinguisher in every walkway. Like this way, maybe like 5 or 6 on this one, the other one. So immediately they will be able to come and kill the fire before it goes uncontrollable.
What is going on here? Renovation is even more difficult than a new project. From what we have seen in Ekpoma, Idua, and Jetu, we have seen that renovation is even more harder. But these guys are even delivering more faster. Instead of June, they are delivering in March 31st. We have gone around and you can see what is happening here. The governor is doing his best to make sure that market women are taken care of. Everybody in the society is taken care of. I told you guys that Edo has become a construction site. You see bulldozers, you see caterpillars, you see payloaders, you see cranes, you see men are working everywhere. People are buying wood, iron rods, cement, laterite. The governor is putting money into the pocket of the people. The people are hardworking, the economy is boosted, and everybody is happy. Edo is a construction site. I told you guys. Thank you so very much for supporting the government. Mr. Governor, I want to appreciate you. God bless you.